Hi, I'm Nate Wakefed. I'm your masculinity and mindset coach. Today, I'm going to be talking in more detail about the concept of masculine identity optimization. Every man, even the most extraordinary man, obviously commenced life as a baby. They did not have the skills, the mindset, the physical body, the success that they were able to accomplish. They needed to learn the skills. They needed to develop themselves in order to accomplish that. What I come to realize is one of the key differences between a highly successful man and let's call an average achieving man or less is the stronger high achieving man has a very clear intention that he has refined for his personal development. He has this compulsion towards improving his life circumstances. Now, to become an extraordinary man, where the man is his great work effectively, takes incredible discipline, consistency, determination, and effort, because he needs to become a well-rounded man physically, emotionally, spiritually, mentally. He needs to be able to thrive in life, even in challenging circumstances, even if he's had a less than perfect childhood upbringing. He understands that when he invests in himself, when he overcomes any childhood traumas, subconscious or limiting beliefs, when he is able to develop himself with his mindset to become disciplined, focused, to eliminate distractions, when he starts to build himself up in his physical body, to become more physically dominant, to learn martial arts, to know how to protect and defend, when he starts to learn how to make money, become successful in business, then how to manage and invest his money, when he learns how to meet and talk with women, how to engage with them sexually, when he learns how to maintain a relationship in good order, and when he learns how to become a leader. These are all skills that a man must develop over a period of time, all the while knowing how to regulate himself, knowing how to maintain a calm order in his life, knowing how to handle the pressures of both society, of his family, and other circumstances that might impact upon him. It really is quite extraordinary and quite amazing when you meet a truly extraordinary man, because what it takes to get there is literally such an exception. It's so rare, especially in a society when men aren't taught how to become men, where there's so few role models, although that is changing with the advent of this movement of men who are focused on developing their masculine frame and becoming healthy examples of mature masculinity. So wherever you are on that journey, part of it is committing to a rite of passage. When you commit to learning the stages of masculine development and moving beyond them, transitioning from a baby to a boy to a mature man, learning what it is to be a man and to be effective as a man as you protect, provide, lead, and serve. So this is an extraordinary path that when you fully commit to this path, you are literally shifting your identity, who you think you are, from the little boy into a man into becoming an effective leader. I can't overstate that enough. That is an extraordinary transformation of your identity, of your perception of yourself that will take place as you embark on this journey to mature masculinity. It will change you fundamentally, who you think you are, what you think you are capable of, what you will focus on in life, what you will attract towards you, and ultimately your experience in life, and perhaps even the experience of your family and of the generations to come. So I encourage, if you haven't explored this area, start learning about masculinity. Start learning about the concept of identity optimization and how rewiring your subconscious mind and choosing the identity that you wish to create and build for yourself is a worthy and worthwhile endeavor. And it really is. I'm saying this with a really strong encouragement because I was a boy who grew up in a very small country town, who was a nerd, that was extensively bullied, that did want for a better life and was able to build himself into a strong man, to become a leader of his community, to become a leader of his industry, to build a multi-million-dollar business, to start in a new country, in a new platform, in a different industry. If you want to learn more about my story, you can certainly do so in the early videos and from my Instagram channel, Sovereign Wealth, where I go into a lot more depth about the journey that I've been on. So I'm sharing this with you because I've worked with literally hundreds of men and I've seen the impact that it makes in their lives, the new possibilities that it opens up for them. And if you're undecided about this is for you, I think this is for absolutely every man. If you're a man who doesn't know how to be an effective man, then you're missing very, very important awareness that will make a profound and positive difference to your life once you implement it. So this is really an impassioned plea to you that if you're experiencing adversity and challenge in your life, those adversities and challenges are unlikely to change unless you change, unless you become more resourceful, unless you improve your abilities to overcome the challenges in your life, and unless you get the support from men who are on the path with you to help lift each other up. I hope you found this video useful. If you like my support in optimizing your identity and your masculine frame, then please reach out. My details are in the captions below. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to continue your journey in developing your masculine frame and building yourself up into an extraordinary man. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.